Hey y'all, it is Tiffany at A Different Chick Farm and Orchard, and yesterday we went and picked up a swarm from a friend of ours. He'd actually already caught two and didn't want no more, so we actually got these guys last night and let them settle overnight here. Opened them up this morning. It's been a little cold and quite rainy, so we went ahead and gave them a mixture of 50-50 sugar and water. Mixed it up real good for them. That'll give them some good food to eat for the next few days. They are actually already, it stopped raining, so they're already scavenging and going in and out and making use of their new home. And hopefully the next little bit we'll get them moved into a bigger hive. We were actually thinking about doing an extension on this nuke and on the top, and seeing how that works. Post a video in the next few weeks, whatever we decide to do. But right now I'll just show you these little guys working the hive and enjoy. Typically, when you are working with honeybees, as long as you stay calm, they stay calm. When you get nervous, it's like they can sense it. So I'm probably only about 12 inches from the hive taking this video, and nobody's bothering me because I'm not nervous around them. I do not have anything on me as far as bee equipment because I guess the longer I've worked with them, it doesn't bother me. You get stung every now and then, but yeah, it's not too bad. I actually try to get stung about once a year just to get that venom in me. So one day if I do get stung, and it'll be several years, that I wouldn't have any problems with it. So since I work with bees quite often. I'm not sure how much you all know about bees, but all these bees flying around right here are girls. Don't see any boys. Boys are called drones. Basically, the only use for a drone is to breed with the queen. That's it. They don't work the hive. They don't feed anybody. All they do is sit around, do nothing, and breed with the queen. Now, that's an extremely important job, but the girls work their hind ends off, and they actually will work until they die, basically. They will actually work the fields, work honey, and a lot of worker bees will actually fly out, and their wings will be so tattered from so many flights out that they'll just die in the field somewhere, never make it back home, which is really sad, but they are super, super hard workers. And then you also have, which you'd have to go inside to see, but young bees are nurse bees. They will actually feed the brood, which is the baby bees, the eggs, inside the comb, which is a very important job. And then one day they graduate to worker bees. Bees are very hygienic also. They will actually clean themselves. They will clean each other. If there's any bees that die in the hive, they will actually drag them out. And if anything tries to get in their hive, any type of pests, any flies, any wasps, they go into full killing mode. They do not like anybody disturbing their home. actually a guy right now, right there. See if I can get a close-up. Not sure if I can or not. It's not going to give it to me. We do try to keep a lot of natural grasses and clover, especially growing around here, to keep our bees pollen. And of course, all the vegetables we grow, all the fruit we grow, all has pollen the bees love. I was kind of hoping somebody would bring some pollen in. They actually tuck it into their legs, which is a pretty cool sight to see, but I think they're just kind of acclimating to their new home and seeing what their surrounding is, and probably still a little scared to get out because of the humidity in the air. Bees have a very good sense of weather. They will actually not come out when they know that it's going to rain. It's however they do, they can sense the humidity, and they just won't go out because they know that good chance if they get wet and damaged, they won't be able to make it back home. There's a couple little guys actually sucking the sugar water up that I spilled earlier when I put this in. And yes, if you've ever wondered, honey is basically bee puke, but tastes pretty good. Okay, I think that's about enough for today. Bye, y'all.